natural resources. In this lesson, we are going to learn important natural resources. Air. Hello students. In this lesson, we will discuss about our new chapter, Natural Resources, in which we will discuss need of living things and the resources of our needs. Our beautiful planet, Earth. As we all know, up to date, Earth is the only planet where the life exists. The Earth had the basic resources to fulfill the needs like temperature, water, and food for living things. These resources and energy of sun fulfilled the basic requirements to form life on the Earth. What are these resources on the Earth? The resources on Earth are the land, the water, the air, soil, plants, and animals. That is why we call them natural resources. All natural resources can be classified into two groups: non-renewable, renewable. In non-renewable sources, air, soil, minerals, and water. And in renewable sources, plants, animals. The Earth has limited supplies of many natural resources. However, our use of these resources keep increasing as the population grows. We should use the available resources sparingly, prevent their wastage, and recycle them. Non-renewable resources. The resources that we can never produce by any method are called non-renewable resources. We cannot produce air, soil, water, or minerals. Air, a natural resource. We can survive for some time without food, but we cannot survive even for a few minutes without air. This simple fact tells us how important clean air is to us. We cannot produce air in any laboratory, which is a balanced mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and some other gases. You know that air is a mixture of gases. By volume, about 78% of this mixture is nitrogen and about 21% is oxygen. Carbon dioxide, argon, methane, ozone, and water vapor are also present in very small quantities. You know how air gets polluted. The substances which contaminate the air are called air pollutants. Sometimes such substances may come from natural sources like smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruptions. Pollutants are also added to the atmosphere by human activities. The sources of air pollutants are factories, power plants, automobile exhausts, and dung cakes. Many respiratory problems are caused by air pollution. Let us now try to find out the substances or pollutants which are present in the polluted air. Have you noticed how rapidly the number of vehicles is increasing in our cities? Vehicles produce high levels of pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and smoke. Carbon monoxide is produced from incomplete burning of fuels such as petrol and diesel. It is a poisonous gas. It reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Global warming causes sea levels to rise dramatically. Global warming could result in wide-ranging effects on rainfall patterns, agriculture, forest, plants, and animals. Recent reports suggest that we have only a limited time period to keep the greenhouse gases at the present level. Otherwise, the temperature may rise by more than 2 degrees Celsius by the end of this century, a level considered to be dangerous. Global warming has become a major concern for government worldwide. Many countries have come together and have reached an agreement to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. The Kyoto Protocol is one such agreement. What can we do to reduce air pollution? There are many ways by which we can fight against air pollution. For example, a few years ago, Delhi was one of the most polluted cities in the world. It was being choked by fumes released from automobiles running on diesel and petrol. A decision was taken to switch to fuels like CNG and unleaded petrol. These measures have resulted in cleaner air for the city. There is a need to switch over to alternative fuels instead of the fossil fuels for our energy requirements. These could be solar energy, hydropower, and wind energy. Small contributions on our part can make a huge difference in the state of the environment. We can plant trees and nurture the ones already present in the neighborhood. So students, that is all in this topic. Let us learn about water and other important natural resources in our next topic. Till then, keep learning.